Good afternoon, Rio Grande Eagles. We are going to check our bellwork papers from yesterday. And then we're going to check our English paper on page 12. Let's get going. Number 4, I'm going to read it and I'd like for you to read it. Look at the banjo. Okay, let's do it again. I'll read it, you read it. Look at the banjo. Right, needs a capital. Period. And what kind of sentence is it? Let me hear you. Imperative. Very good. Because someone is telling someone else to do what? Look at the banjo. All right. Number 5. I'll read it. You read it. Have you ever played the banjo before? All right. Your turn. Okay. Capital. And it has to have what? That's right. It has to have a question mark because it's asking and it's an interrogative. And interrogate means to question. Number 6. I'll read it. You read it. The banjo is like a small drum with a long neck. Okay, your turn. You read it. Now, remember, capital. And then it has to have period. Why? Because it's just making a statement about the banjo. And we call that what kind of sentence? That's correct. Declarative. Now we're in our English books, and if you need to pause the video while you get ready, that's fine. We're on page 12, and I hope you had time to review the rules. We're not going to do that now, but we will check our paper. So when you get it correct, put a check mark, and if you miss it, circle it and write the correct answer. So all of these sentences begin with what? That's right, a capital letter. Always sentences begin with capital letters. Now, I'm going to read the sentence, and again, I want you to repeat after me. What wonderful weather we've had this week. Now, I know you can read it. Try it again. Everybody, read it. Good. And that could be an exclamatory sentence with an exclamation, expressing strong feeling. Number 2, I'll read it, you read it. The weather has been sunny and mild every day. Your turn. And it's just making a statement about the weather, and we call those what? Declarative, and it has a period. All right, let's do number 3 together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, read. How I hope the weekend will be nice. That could be strong feeling and exclamatory with exclamation mark. Number 4, are you curious about tomorrow's weather? What kind of sentence is that? It is. It's an interrogative because it does what? It asks a question. All right, here's a big word. And we know that meteorologists. What do? They predict the weather. So when you turn into the news and you're watching the weather, those people are called meteorologists. It's just making a statement about them. It's declarative. Number 6, unfortunately, predicting the weather is difficult. Again, just making a statement about predicting the weather. It is declarative with a period. Now, I'd like for us to read this together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, read. Will it rain tomorrow or will it be sunny? What do we need at the end of the sentence? That's right, a question mark. Why? Because it's asking a question and it's an interrogative. Remember that interrogate means ask a question. Number 8, listen to the radio for a weather report. What kind of sentence is that? That's right, imperative, because someone is telling someone to do something, and there's a period. All right, number 9. Please check the thermometer for the temperature. Why is that an imperative sentence? Because someone is asking someone to do something and it has a period. And let's read the last one together. 1, 2, 3, read. Was the weather forecast correct? And you know what that is. An interrogative with a question mark. Good job.